Thank you for making the smart choice at Toyota of Greer, the #1 volume Toyota dealer in South Carolina.
At Toyota of Greer, we know you are not just looking out for you. You need a vehicle for your entire family. You will love this red 2011 Toyota RAV4, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 24,507 miles. Enjoy an exceptional 28 miles to the gallon on this family SUV with features like MP3 player, keyless entry, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo and CD player, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, auxiliary audio input, and much more. Enjoy the drive, feel safe, and have peace of mind in this 2011 Toyota RAV4. See us at Toyota of Greer today.
Thank you for making the smart choice at Toyota of Greer, the #1 volume Toyota dealer in South Carolina.